1, 2, 3.
What is up, friends? It's Divine Collections today, coming at you with yet another video. And today I am doing a video on how to do a braided wig, but this is a crochet braided wig, so this has a little twist to it. And another thing is, if you're new to this channel or if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that you're notified every time that another goodie comes up. It is actually a boho type braided wig. So this is the wig. I already started out the process. I used a mix of two types of braiding hair to accomplish this look, and I also crochet braiding hair to accomplish that look. And then I also used a dome, as you can see, the see-through. So it's a dome braiding cap. It's gonna be a hairband wig, so I already affixed it, affixated. I already joined the hairband onto the wig around it to make it, the process easier for myself. So I have also some crochet hairs laid out on my little couch. So I have them just laid out and stuff, so I'm gonna use those as well. So I just wanted you guys to just join me in the process of what I'm doing. There's so much going on around YouTube about hairband wigs and stuff, and I actually created a couple of them out of half wigs, and I posted a video so you can see the video. I will probably link the video of my hairband wig in the description below. But yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on the process. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm doing and stuff, and how you can inspire you to also do yours as well. Real quick, I just wanted to show you the braiding hair that was utilized for this wig, and it's Lulu Tress Goddess box braid, and this one actually was a 1B30 18-inch and 3X, so it has 3 bundles, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. And then this is the crochet hair that was used. And then I also prior to that, I had purchased this one, and this is a boho one. It actually has the boho, as you can see, the crochet attached or pulled out, applied to the box braid, and then it has a goddess curl in the bottom as well, but it's a different curl pattern, as you can see. This varies from that, and so that actually wasn't on purpose at first, but I just decided that since I already I already purchased that hair, let me go ahead and mix them in just to create a more different look, so have the kind of like corkscrew curl pattern and then more loose pattern. So, and that's actually the look I wanted to achieve. So like I said, I have this dome head. The dome head was purchased I think I purchased it last year and stuff, and okay. So here I go. So what you do is you just try to find spaces that are, and by the way, I'm using a regular crochet hook, so that's the reason why having a net cap is easier. Otherwise you probably have to sew it in, which I don't really have time for right now. So I'm just hooking it in and crocheting it right through the net, like you would a, you know, as a mesh, so it's like lace, almost, sort of. Yep, so I'm mixing the crochet hair, I'm mixing all the hairs in, and just crocheting it in. I've seen people use the glue gun method, but I don't really think that would be better for me, because with the glue it gets hard, and to me it's kind of messy, you know. So, yep, so just do what works for you. Do what works for you. So, I'm just crocheting this here on. Alright fam, what do y'all think? This is the finished look. I'm finally done with the process. Let me show you the back. Let me show you the back. This is the back. You can see. So this is a finished look. And it's pretty secure. It's pretty secure. You can have it, you know, pushed back or whatnot, or you can just have it show a little bit of your edges. It's up to you. Yep. This is the look I was going for, and I achieved it. I still have just a little bit of the crochet hair left, just very little of it, of the Lulu tress, just a little bit. I finally achieved the look. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments and questions and whatnot. in the down below in the comments. And yeah, that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and yep, I will see you in the next video. Bye.